Welcome back everyone. So in this session I am going to talk about the area of equilateral triangle specifically, and there are few things that are presumed that you know about equilateral triangle, that all the sides are equal to each other, right? So if this is A, this would also be A and this would also be A, right? Now if I drop a perpendicular right from here, so this length will be A by 2 and this length will also be A by 2. So first formula originates right from here, that this will be what, area, if I calculate, will be what, half into base into height. I know this is my basic formula, but I know the value of base but I don't know my height. How to calculate height? So firstly let's calculate height. In this case height is what, let's name them A, B, C and D. So AC is the height, and if AC is the height, then this angle will be 90 degree, and if it is a 90 degree, then I can apply a Pythagoras theorem over here, that is AC square will be equals to AB square plus BC square, right? And AC square, if I want to calculate AC square, so this will be A square and this will be BC will be what, A by 2, so A square by 4. Now from here I can get AC as, this will be 4A, sorry, this will be what, this will be minus AB square minus BC square. Why? Because in the Pythagoras theorem we have AB is equals to AC square plus BC square, right? And we are calculating AC square, so it will be AB square minus BC square, right? So this will be 3A square by 4 under root, and this further can be written as root 3A by 2. This will be my height. Now I can calculate the area as half into base. Now base is what, A, and height is what, under root 3A by 2. So this further can be written as under root 3A square by 4. This will be the area of equilateral triangle. I hope it makes sense to you. So let us have a look at how to find out the area of isosceles triangle, and again the same analogy will be applicable over here. Let's say this is a isosceles triangle, and as you can see in isosceles triangle, two sides are same actually. So if this is a side A, then this also be a side A, and let us assume that this side right over here is the B, right? Now what I am going to do, I am just going to drop a perpendicular, and in isosceles triangle if I drop the perpendicular, then it makes a 90-degree angle. Also it bifurcates, it equally divides the base as well. So again I am quickly going to do the applying the Pythagoras theorem over here. So in triangle ADC, if I apply Pythagoras theorem, what I will be getting is AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square, and I have AC as A square, I don't know AD square, but I know DC is what, this value will be B by 2, so B square by 4, and from here I can get the value of AD square as A square minus B square upon 4, right? Similarly, if I this AD square will be what, my height, and let's calculate the value of AD only. So AD will be A square, or rather 4A square minus B square upon 4, and this can be written as 4A square minus B square under root, and then this will be 2, right? Now my formula for area is what, half into base into height only, right? Half into base into height. Now I know my base is what, B, and height is what? Under root of 4a square minus b square. So further it can be written divided by 2. Further it can be written as b under root 4a square minus b square upon 4. This will be the area of triangle ABC, which is an isosceles triangle, and I hope it makes complete sense to you, and that was all about this area of isosceles triangle. Thank you so much.